so difficult for you? Look. Look at it. Look at it. Do you see how the light struggles to pass through the greasy film? And do you see how it's completely obstructed by the dried food particles which have adhered to the glass surface? Is it asking too much that you please apply a bit more care in your efforts to wash the dishware in this house?
If I were to take a perfectly clean glass, one that I personally washed, and set it in the sink for him to wash, guess what? It would be filthy after he got done washing it. I honestly think he might be doing it on purpose just to drive me insane.
Have you asked him about that?
Yeah. Hey, Anton, you wouldn't happen to be running some kind of psychological experiment to maybe test the thresholds of my sanity with your abusive dishwashing techniques now, would you? I don't think you're taking me seriously here, Doc.
It's absolutely ridiculous, and I don't understand it.
Do you know that I have to pre-wash every glass before I can take a drink of water in my own house? The dishes are always greasy with dried crap stuck on both sides. The silverware, I'm actually afraid of it. I'm actually afraid of my own silverware. Just the thought of putting one of those forks or spoons in my mouth gives me the creeps. Do you realize how much surface area there is on a spoon? Ugh, just makes me want to retch.
You are taking this to a very unhealthy level, Philip, and it's starting to scare me. If you don't go talk to him, then I will, because I cannot deal with you like this anymore. It's intolerable. It's insane.
Yeah, so I'm insane for wanting clean dishes in my own house.
Go talk to him.
Fine, I'll talk to him. Then, when he flashes back to his abusive stepfather and starts projecting all of his hostilities onto me, then what? He's gonna be harboring all sorts of resentment towards me, and we won't be able to walk past each other in the hallway without some heavy, awkward tension. I don't want to live like that.
Well, I don't want to live like this anymore, so it's either you go talk to him now or That's all I'm going to say about it. And stay out of my kitchen.
Philip, I'm going to make an observation. It's becoming clear to me that you've created an obsessive-compulsive attachment to a particular behavior performance concerning your roommate, Anton. This has led you to police, judge, and convict Anton for an offense which, for all intents and purposes, is relatively benign. However, in your mind, the plan is move away from this subject matter just might be able to into other issues such as significant relationship, observation, deep your frustration, cloud killer, whatever your preference, as it slowly regains its faculties, it'll come to know and tie it up truth, figuratively and metaphorically speaking, of course. Do you follow me?
Sure.
saying is just hire somebody or train somebody on your own staff to keep the displays a little cleaner. Just some good friendly advice.
What the hell are you doing? God damn it, I knew that this was gonna happen.
Let me give you some good friendly advice.
Don't inspect my dishes like some obsessive freak.
If you ever come back, I'm calling the police.
Anton, can you get the door? Anton! Hey, didn't you hear the doorbell ring?
No.
What, did you hear me calling you?
No. Why? Who was it?
Nobody. This is the second time it's happened. The doorbell rings just once, I answer it, nobody there.
No note or anything?
Nothing.
That's weird. Probably just some kids screwing around.
So you're sure you didn't hear anything? The doorbell or me calling you?
No, I didn't hear anything. I was doing laundry. But the door was open. I should have heard something.
I'm going to write you a prescription, and I want you to start on it immediately.
What, are you kidding me? You've got some magic pill that can numb the part of my brain that obsesses on this craziness?
Phillip, this is a very effective prescription, and you're going to have to trust me on this. I never prescribe anything unless I'm absolutely sure it will help.
That's it. We're done. I'm not taking any pills. And I'm through taking any more advice from you. I'd have been better off seeing a carnival psychic.
What are you doing? You got a cup here filled with coins.
Thank you, sir.
What do you mean, thank you? This is a drinking cup. Do you have any idea the amount of germs and microorganisms you now have infesting this thing? It's not funny. It's disgusting.
I want you to go. Please leave.
Well, wait. Hold on. Let me just say one last thing before I go, okay?
Okay, but you have to go.
All right. Look, I realize I might seem a little crazy from an outside perspective, but please, just do me one favor. That's all I ask, okay?
What?
Just go back inside, get the glass, bring it out here, and let's calmly and rationally inspect it together in the daylight. And then we'll make a clear and proper determination at that point as to whether or not it's acceptably clean or not. Are you kidding? Really? Is that a no? Parasite gnawing away at my brain.
Have you dirty dishes?
Just really actually challenge. Very effective prescription, and you have to trust me with it. Even just
Let me give you some good friendly advice.
Look at that.
going on over there?
Not much. Except for the fact that there's a zombie. Except there's a zombie at the front door.
A zombie, huh? Imagine that.
There's a zombie in actual living. Dead. Not my dead zombie. Dead zombie.
So how's that zombie doing?
Not sure. What should I do?
Well, there's only one way to get rid of a zombie.
There is how. How do you get rid of it?
You gotta shoot in the brain. Come on, everybody knows that.
Brain. You gotta shoot it in the head.
Alright, let's meet this zombie. Find out what it wants. Good. Phillip? Where'd you go? What happened to our zombie?
You have to shoot the brain. God damn it.